Welcome to this amazing one-of-a-kind property located at 10100 South Brown Road in Oak Grove, Missouri, with the Lee Summit School District and just minutes from the city. Come take a look. 20 acres of rolling hills, the home offers over 3,700 square feet and is sitting at the top of the hill. Enjoy your morning coffee from the lovely wraparound porch that overlooks the land. Five bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, master on the main level, and a walkout finished basement. This home offers a 7-car garage with a storage loft that can be finished. 3 ponds, 5 outbuildings, which include a huge riding arena with a bar and horse stalls. Many upgrades. This is a must-see property.